test out these BigHorn 3.0s. Let me stop right quick. I'll stop right quick. Give you a quick look before this thing gets all dirty. This is about to get dirty. It just rained out here maybe 12 inches over the last few days. And we got to break in the BigHorn 3.0s. So get a good look. Get a good look because it's about to get dirty. And we're about to use some diff lock. I'll bet, because this is nasty out here. We got some kind of quicksand stuff, some nasty mud. So let's head up the way. Alright, you gotta take a little driving to get to the spot. Man, this normally is dry. But of course, that's not the mud hole. This is just on our way out. We gotta go to the woods, to the bottom, and get on some serious stuff. All right, we're in two-wheel drive. We got a 4Runner out there. He thinks he can out-mud this four-wheeler. It's not gonna be possible. Definitely getting a lot dirtier with these 4+3 offset rims on, the wide tires. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah! So lots of water, guys. Lots of water. Can't go any further. It's soft, man. Why? I can. Straight that way? Yeah. There's water. Go through that water. Alright. I'm not even in full drive yet. No, put it in full drive. Alright. Full drive. Where? Straight ahead? Oh, this way, look. That way. Oh, that way? Not that water. Starting to rain now. He says it's pretty bad over here. Oh, I see the water. So far it's nothing. No need for differential lock. And guys, don't forget I'm on these Elkas. I'm going through some hog ruts. And it's smooth even with the 3-inch lift. And here's what he says it's getting pretty bad. Woo! It's starting to rain. Get under this tree for a second. Jeez. Alright, I had to get under this tree for a second. Man, I keep forgetting. Let's wipe off the lens. I think I'm supposed to say you're welcome, guys, when I do stuff like that. But look at this rain. Coming down. Come down. And then, get a glimpse. Getting a little dirtier, but not bad. And it's freaking coming down. Well, we're gonna blast through some mud as soon as it lightens up, but I'm not prepared as far as the gear goes. Soaking wet. I mean, I do have some rubber boots on, but you know, it ain't the best gear. I need some freaking overalls, right? But oh well. I don't care. It's not that bad. It's about 70 degrees out. So I'm gonna sit here for a minute. I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm gonna wait. When it lightens up, we're gonna mud. Yeah, that wasn't much mud for this machine. You got a good rut going right there. hear it. He's making some ruts. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Hold on.
Full drop's not working.
I hear it clanking around up the front. Yeah, and it's sinking on that side.
Freak. Man, you gotta be kidding.
Well, that sucks. We gotta try to get out.
Damn it.
At least you got a winch.
Yeah, but
Man,
I think I broke the freaking disc. I cut it too hard, and I think when I recorded before you came,
yeah.
I heard something like loose, and then now I've been hearing it clinking.
I heard it clanking.
I noticed my front wheel's not turning.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe we can air down.
So I was doing two-wheel drive the whole way. No wonder I was struggling.
Well, the front was spinning, but this front left one wasn't.
I know, it should be spinning. I was locked.
Well, shoot.
Let's try to go forward.
Let's try to get back on the road.
Nope, it's spinning down right now.
Okay.
Right, we're about to
Hang on.
try to winch out. But before we do, I'm gonna run some donuts. To get back to two-wheel drive. Got a video?
Yeah.
Let's cut some donuts before we
Go ahead.
pretty soft out there.
I know you could have. I thought I got a little bit nervous on that. So you got to get back on top of this little hill. It's sort of a road.
What's up, man? What up? Hey, use that protector right there around the tree so you don't, hook onto the protector.
It's your condom?
Hook onto the cable, hook onto the protector.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Make sure it's not going to drag on the cable.
Got you, brother.
Okay.
One-handed, like always. All right. Because the front left tires, or the wheel's not locking in, full drive's broken. We got some nice ruts. So now he's gonna have to back up down this whole road because there's nowhere to turn around. Once we do this, I'll get back to the four-wheeler videos. Thank you for the brief intermission of the 4Runner getting stuck. Finally got out. good now. Pretty nice little hole. Woo! Pretty good though for the big tires. We're about to go to this pond that I did a test with the Zillas. Definitely got a lot more water in it now, but we're gonna see if you can tell the difference. Yeah, the pond's full. Low full drive. Last time it was pretty bad. So far so good. There's the soft stuff. Oh yeah, it's sinking on the right side. I ain't even used diff lock yet. These tires are good, they keep it up on top. What's that? Where do you want me to go?
Down the street.
It looks real deep.
Hey, this is where I broke my
Oh, today?
Watch out, there's a snake too. There's a knife out.
Oh, right there? Whoa! Jeez! Dude, that's super deep. I'm not stuck. I just don't want to flip it over. Nobody's stuck, buddy. Dude, it was about to flip over.
Dude, that's what mine did. I landed in that hole with 8 and we were like this, look.
That's how you probably busted your CV joint.
Yeah, and then I floored it coming out. And I hit the bank like 4 times to come out and it finally grabbed and that's when it busted. You got
Yeah,
busted.
it about tipped over. I just went forward and said screw it, so.
I told you it was deep.
Yeah, tires are pretty sweet though, man. They grab.
Those grab good.
Got to test some more stuff. if you haven't. We might go chase this deer down. I don't know, could be. If you want to float across something, just take the old brute force with some noodles on it.